In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the paper jam in your Canon MAXIFY GX3000 series printer. So in this printer, if you see any paper jam, pull the paper tray out, have a look. If any paper is stuck here, you can just pull it out. If you don't see anything, place it back and go to the rear side of the printer. In the rear side, at the bottom of the printer, you will see you can just pull out this section, and if you see any paper stuck inside, you can just take it out from here and then place it back. If you still have no access to the paper, go to the front side and lift this door completely, and you will see the ink chamber and ink cartridges and print head here. So look inside. Here you have the option to remove any paper that is stuck just below the print head, so you can easily take it out from here. So these are the ways to remove the paper jam from this printer, and once you do that, just close it and clear any error on the screen, and this will help to fix the paper jam. Thanks for watching.